Hello and welcome, friends, to Teach Up, where we train you to solve AP calculus problems fast. Today, we want to evaluate the limit as t approaches 0 of the sine squared of 4t divided by t. Now, just like what we've done in the past, we're going to start by substituting t equals 0 into the function and see what we get. So the sine of 0 is 0, raised to the second power is still going to be 0. So we're going to get a numerator of 0 here divided by a denominator of 0. So we have that 0 over 0 indeterminate form, which tells us that indeed we're going to be able to use L'Hopital's rule like we've done in other cases. So L'Hopital's rule says we can find the limit we're looking for by taking the limit as t approaches 0 of this fraction or this quotient. We're going to take the derivative of the numerator divided by the derivative of the denominator. Here I'm going to start with the denominator because it's just so much simpler. It's 1. And for the numerator, we must remember to use the chain rule here. So we're going to have 2 times the sine of 4t, which takes care of the power rule, times the cosine of 4t, because the derivative of the sine function is the cosine function, times 4. And now we are able to substitute t equals 0 into this function, and we see that when we take the sine of 0, we get 0. When we get the cosine of 0, we get 1. So now we have 0 multiplied by a whole bunch of constants, which gives us an answer of 0. So here the answer here would be a 0.